Hello my children, I am here with another new video for you. Last day we did a beautiful handwork by using a snail. So today we are going to do another beautiful handwork by using this. I hope you all have this handout. This is an umbrella. Umbrella kiyane kudeta. So today we are going to do our handwork with this tube. First of all, I will tell you what are things that you needed to do this handwork. We need varnish papers with 3 different colors, a glue bottle and a box of pastels. First, we are going to tear the papers into small pieces. Take a small paper like this and tear some strips. Then tear them into small pieces like this by using 3 different papers. Then keep them aside for a while. Next, we are going to color the handle of the umbrella and the upper part by using black color. Black color kiyane kalu paata. So let's start coloring. Keep in mind, don't keep white spaces while you are coloring. You have to color it like this. Now let's move to the next step. We can apply glue on the first part. Before that, take your pointer finger and apply some glue on it. Then apply glue on this whole part. Then take piece of papers paste them like this. You have to complete this one part and then move to the next part. Look at this. Like this, you have to complete the first part, then start the next part. At the end, you will have an umbrella like this. I hope you all will do it very nicely. So this is the end of our video. I will come with another new video. So my children, stay safe at your home with your parents.